All right, here's a question that we're asked to simplify. We're adding, and so in order to add radicals, I have to make sure that the radicals and the radicand are the same. So if I had the square root of 5 plus 3 root 5, I could add that. That's really 1 root 5. So when you add them, it would be 4 root 5. But here, my radicals aren't the same. So maybe there's a way that I can get them the same. So this one, root 5a, I don't think I can do anything with that one. But this one, 45 is the same thing as 9 times 5. And then a cubed would be a times a times a, right? And so I could simplify that because then I could um, change this root 9 to 3. So I'd go 2 times 3. And then two of these a's, because it's a square root, two of those a's could come out front. And then inside, like this one's gone, that one's now 3. These two are gone, they're now an a outside. So inside I'd just be left with a 5a. And that's what I have on the other one. So I have root 5a plus, that would be 6a root 5a. Okay, so now the radicands are the same. Now I can add the coefficients. Problem with this question is that the coefficients aren't like terms. Like this is a 1 and a 6a. I can't really add those. A couple ways you can think about that is you could think, well, I know I need to add them. Like here, I just went 1 plus 3. I could have written this as 1 plus 3 root 5. And so I can do that here too. I can say 1 plus 6a root 5a. I don't need that one in brackets. Whoops. There. Uh, so I could just write it as 1 plus 6a root 5a. Or another way to look at it, and I sort of prefer this way, is that here's two terms. They each have a root 5a in them. So I can rewrite that as I can factor out a root 5a, and if I get rid out of that one, I'm left with 1. If I get rid of this one, I'm left with a 6a. Okay, so both those answers are the same. All right, hopefully that helps.